Hello friends, this is Dr. Y.S. Joshi and you are watching videos on unit number 2 instruction set of 8085. This is the second video lecture on unit number 2, and in this lecture we are going to learn instruction format and its types. In last video lecture we learned instruction cycle, machine cycle and T-state. So we know that instruction means it is a command given to the microprocessor to perform specified operation on given data. Now here we will learn instruction format. Each instruction has two parts. First one is opcode and second one is the operand. Opcode, it is the first part of an instruction and it specifies the task or operation to be performed. By using microprocessor, one can perform various operations like data transfer, means data will be transferred from memory to processor or vice versa. One can perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, increment, decrement. One can perform a logical operation like logical AND, logical OR, logical XOR, complement, compare, etc. So all these tasks can be specified by an instruction, and each instruction has instruction code called as opcode, which is the first part of an instruction. Operand, it is the second part of an instruction. It is the data to be operated on. For example, the instruction is given here, STA2500. STA2500 is one of the instructions from instruction set of 8085. So STA has some opcode. So meaning of STA means store the content of accumulator to memory location 2500. So here STA will be the opcode and 2500 the address is given, that address is the operand. Operand can be specified in various ways. Here the various types to specify the operand in an instruction and its example. Operand may be 8 or 16-bit data. For example, MVI A,05. So here MVI will be the opcode and 05 is a 8-bit data, and due to this instruction 05, this 8-bit data will be moved into the accumulator. Second type, a general purpose register or registers. For example, move A, B. In this instruction, MOV, move, is the opcode, and source and destination both are the general purpose register. Due to this instruction, the content of register B will be moved into the accumulator or register A. So operands may be general purpose register. Operands may be a memory location. Move A, M, move the content of memory addressed by HL pair to the accumulator. So memory location is given indirectly through register pair. So operand may be memory location. Operand may be 8 or 16-bit address. Already we learned this example, STA2500. Remember, whenever there is the address of memory, it will be 16-bit, and if the address is of IO port, then it will be 8-bit. So STA2500 means this is the address of memory location. So STA is a opcode instruction and 2500 is operand, and here it is given 16-bit address, and that address will be of memory, and when this instruction execute, the content of accumulator will be moved into the memory location 2500. Sometimes operand is not given explicitly, so we call it implicit operand, means operand is assumed that it is a accumulator. Here the instruction is CMA, complement the content of accumulator. Operand may be various types. It may be 8 or 16-bit data, it may be general purpose register, it may be a memory location, it may be address, or it may be implicitly given. We know that microprocessor understood only a binary language, means language of 1 and 0. It could not recognize a high level language like English alphabets. An instruction is written in a binary codes and all instructions are not of the same length. Every instruction performs different tasks, and obviously the length of instruction will vary. Therefore, all instructions are not of the same length. Depending upon the number of bytes or word size required to specify an operation and data, Intel 8085 instructions are of three types: 1 byte instructions, 2 byte instructions, and 3 byte instructions. So all instructions in 8085 microprocessor are classified depending upon the number of bytes required to specify is 1 byte instruction, 2 byte instructions, and 3 byte instructions. In the 8085, byte and word are synonyms because it is an 8-bit microprocessor. However, instructions are commonly referred to in terms of bytes rather than words. So let us see one by one. So first type is 1 byte instruction. These instructions require 1 byte to specify. 1 byte instruction includes the opcode and operand in the same byte. Operands are internal register and are coded into the instruction. For example, the instruction is move A comma B. So opcode will be move. The task to be performed means move operation, and A comma B both are the general purpose registers. This instruction will move the content of register B to accumulator means register A. So the binary code 0111 1000 in hex it can be written as 78. 0111 means 7 and 1000 means 8. Look at this 78 code. Out of that, 2 bits MSB 01 is the move operation. So 01 means move operation, 111 is the code for register A, and 000 is the code for register B, and thus the binary code generated in hex it will be 78. One more example, add B. Addition will be the opcode, which is the task to be performed, and operand is register B. We know that whenever there is arithmetic or logical operation, the first operand is always accumulator, and therefore this instruction will perform the operation of addition. The content of register B will be added with register A, and the result will be stored in A. And the binary code for this instruction is 1000 and 0000. So in hex we can write it is 80. In both the example, single byte required to specify the opcode means task to be performed, and data to be operated on means operand. Second type, 2 byte instructions. These instructions require 2 bytes to specify. In a 2 byte instruction, the first byte specifies the opcode and the second byte specifies the operand. These instructions require 2 successive memory locations in the memory. First byte to specify the opcode and second byte to specify the operand. The format for these types of instructions: opcode and operand. First byte is for opcode and second byte for the operand. Let us see some examples for 2 byte instruction. The instruction is MVI B, 07. So MVI is the opcode, the task to be performed. The meaning of this instruction: move immediate the 8-bit data 07 to register B. So MVI has some opcode, that is 06. So in binary one can write 0000 0110, and the 8-bit data 07. So 0000 0111. So this instruction will require 2 bytes to specify. First byte 06 is for the opcode and second byte for the 8-bit data. One more example, IN02 means in 02. So this instruction will read the data from port address 02. So IN will be the opcode. So DB is the opcode for in instruction, and 02 is the address of that port. So whatever the data at this address at this port input device will be moved to the accumulator. So both the instruction will require 2 bytes to specify. And the last type is 3 byte instructions. These instructions require 3 bytes to specify. In a 3 byte instruction, the first byte specifies the opcode and the second and third byte specifies the operand. The second and third byte may be 16-bit data or 16-bit address. The second byte is lower order 8 bits and third byte is higher order 8 bits. For example, if it is a 16-bit address, then the second byte is lower order 8 bits of an address and third byte is higher order 8 bits of an address. If it is 16-bit data, then the second byte is 8 bits of LSB, least significant bit, and third byte is 8 bit of MSB, most significant bits. The format of this instruction will be opcode, operand 1 and operand 2, means first byte for opcode, second and third byte for operand 1 and operand 2. Examples for 3 byte instruction: STA C500. So STA is the opcode, the task to be performed, and C500, here the C500 is the address of memory location. When microprocessor executes this instruction, it will perform the task store the content of accumulator to memory location C500. So STA, it has 1 byte opcode, 0011 0010 means 32, the opcode of this instruction. Then the lower 8 bit of address 00 and higher order of address C5. So this instruction will require 3 bytes to specify. One more example, Alexa H2500. When this instruction execute, the content of HL pair will be loaded with 2500, means after execution of this instruction, the content of L will be 00 and the content of H will be 25. So LXI will have a opcode, that is 21. This single byte will suggest the operation to be take place, and the remaining is the 16-bit data. Out of that, 00 is the lower 8-bit or LSB of data that will be stored into the L register L, and higher 8-bit of this 16-bit data is 25 will be loaded into the register H, so that this instruction will require 21 opcode, 00 lower 8-bit data, 25 higher 8-bit data, 3 byte to specify. So here in this video lecture we learn instruction format consists of 2 parts, opcode and operand, and depending upon word size, instructions are classified as 1 byte, 2 byte and 3 byte instructions. So we will stop here. So in next lecture we will meet with new topic, that is addressing modes. Don't forget to subscribe this channel for better understanding. Watch the videos serially. Thank you.